In every stage of the fruit cold chain, precise temperature control safeguards product quality with a total storage height of 24 meters. The Malaysia Fruit Cold Storage Project includes cold storage A and B, two-level packaging areas, and a dispatch zone, fully supported by Moontech's turnkey refrigeration system solution to build a smart, safe, and efficient cold chain hub. Cold storage A and B utilize an ammonia refrigeration system, maintaining precise temperatures of 0.5-3.5 degrees C and 3.5 degrees C respectively, allowing flexible adjustment based on fruit type. The packaging areas are maintained at a stable 15 degrees C, meeting requirements for manual sorting and packing. The dispatch zone is equipped with a Freon system, keeping temperatures between 2 degrees C and 8 degrees C to ensure smooth inbound and outbound logistics. The ammonia system is equipped with two LG16MY screw compressors, an automatic air purging unit, evaporative condensers, a vertical surge drum, and terminal air coolers, ensuring efficient and reliable operation. An ammonia gas detection system is installed to ensure continuous safety monitoring. A water defrost system with automatic water recovery and precision flow meters is used, saving water and enhancing energy efficiency. The entire system is integrated into the Moontech intelligent refrigeration monitoring platform, allowing remote control, temperature adjustment, and full process cold chain tracking, all in one control center. From smart design to reliable performance, Moontech's professional system solution ensures every piece of freshness is fully protected.